Hey guys, I'm Isaac from Super RV Australia. Today I'll be talking to you about the awning tie-down straps. It comes in a nice, easy canvas carry bag. 2 pegs, 2 straps. These guys here, they're high vis and they've come with their own spring down there, so there's going to be that little bit of flex. Now this is the awning that's perfect for these awning tie-down straps. They're multi-purpose as well, so even if you've got a gazebo on sand or ground, you can anchor it down with these guys. If there is windy weather, what you want to do is just unravel it like this, undo the clip, just around the front of your drum and ensuring that the D-ring is on top of the drum. That way, when you tighten it, it tightens nicely around that front drum. Now you're ready to connect. Next, what you want to do is peg it out to the ground. Just grab the spring on the bottom of the strap, hook it over your peg, and what that does, provides a bit of tension so it's not going to rip the peg out of the ground. Once you've pegged it out to the ground, you can use this tightening strap to put a bit of tension on there. Now that's not going anywhere and creates that extra little bit of support for the awning.